All right, let's talk about putting your radio head unit into dealer mode. The car needs to be either in accessory mode or run mode. I have it in accessory ACC. And down here on your climate control system, you have front defrost, temp up, temp down. All three of these buttons on the driver's side of your climate control unit here, you need to push and hold all three of these buttons at the exact same time for about 5 to 7 seconds. So I'm going to push those real quick, and then you'll see dealer mode activation comes into play. And this is where you can perform additional, get additional information and perform some additional functions that are not available to you otherwise. So just some quick tip there for you guys. And here you can get your IMEI number, radio head unit serial, software version, navigation map pack version, all of that. I mean, just all that information is stored right under here. And if you want to move custom user data, contacts, configurations, and things like that from one vehicle to another vehicle, or create a backup, you can do that as well just by putting like an 8 gig FAT32 formatted USB stick and a USB port 1, and using your copy to restore user data to from USB stick. So great little feature there as well. And that's it. So I'll catch you guys later.